What if I told you our entire universe is nothing more than an atom of air floating in a much larger reality? And what if this universal atom is moving just like air rising into a less dense atmosphere? Lower pressure also causes temperature drop. Could this explain why space itself is stretching and losing heat before our eyes? Could the expansion of our universe be caused by something bigger than we ever imagined? Imagine a tiny particle of air, a single atom, floating upward into a colder, less dense region of the atmosphere. What happens? It expands. The lower pressure around it allows it to stretch outward. Now zoom out. What if our universe is just a tiny atom within an even greater cosmic structure? Could we too be expanding simply because we are traveling into a vast, colder, less dense space? The universe started as a hot, dense point, according to scientists. But over time it has been cooling. Why? In our atom analogy, heat would naturally dissipate outward as we rise into a colder space, just like how a balloon cools as it expands in the atmosphere. This matches exactly what we observe. The cosmic microwave background radiation shows the universe getting colder as it expands. Coincidence? Or is this just physics happening on a much, much bigger scale? Scientists say dark energy is mysteriously pushing the universe apart at an accelerating rate. But what if it's just the effect of our universal atom moving deeper into a less dense region? Could this mean dark energy isn't a strange new force, but simply a shift in the pressure around us? What if what we call dark energy is just physics on a scale beyond our comprehension? If our universe is an atom inside a greater structure, what about the atoms inside our universe? Could they too contain smaller universes? Are we living in an endless fractal of nested realities? The deeper we look, the more the universe seems to echo itself. Could it be that reality itself is just layers within layers, stretching infinitely up and down? Now, before we go too deep into the rabbit hole, let's be clear. This is not mainstream physics. There's no evidence that our universe is literally an atom inside a bigger reality. But the greatest minds in history have questioned the very fabric of space and time. Could there be something we're missing? Could the answers to the biggest mysteries of the universe be hiding in plain sight? Maybe, just maybe, we're only beginning to understand where we really are. Could our universe really be just an atom inside something bigger, or is this just a fun but impossible idea? Let me know in the comments. If this blew your mind, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more mind-expanding content from STEMsational. Until next time, keep questioning everything.